Let's take a look at the Celebrity app. When you log into the app, this is what will come up. It's basically your home screen. So along the bottom, you can click to find out more about dining, excursions, or boarding. But I'm going to take us to the top first and click on the little ship. This way you get more of an overview of what's going on. You can find out all of the events that will be happening throughout the cruise. So if there's something you've heard about or that you want to take part in, you'll be able to see it there. You can see what types of games and competitions are available. There's different trivias, tournaments. There's a daily puzzle that you can pick up each morning in one of the lounges. Deal or No Deal is an extra charge that kind of works like bingo these days, but I think it's a lot more fun because it does look like the TV show. For sports and recreation, these will be the different sports and recreation opportunities, and the food and beverage will take you through if there's going to be any special tastings, any specialty dinners, any workshops, classes that are available. Now, both in the dining and the classes, some of these may have an extra charge. So when you click to find out more about it, there's also seminars and tours. So really, this is just kind of giving you that overview of the programming that's going to take place throughout the whole cruise. So you kind of get a sense of what's going to be available, both for kids and teens and arts and crafts. And announcements. So this will have important information that you'll need to know on your ship's arrival. Now, heading back to dining, if you wanted to take a peek at what's open now, I love this Hungry Now tab. So you can just see, oh, I'm hungry right now, what food's available. For future meals, you can head to the individual restaurants and see what their hours are going to be, when they're going to open. You can also look at what's available in the main dining room, any of the bars and lounges, where to locate them, deck 5 midship. And then you can go to the map. You can also look at the individual venues for the casino or any of the lounges. And the daily planner will provide you with what time all of these events are going to take place. So you can see what's coming up next, what's there to do. And then if it looks like something you want to do, you can click add to calendar, and this will place it in your calendar. Now, this is just for a reminder. You're not making a reservation. You're just saying, oh, I want to make sure that I'm reminded at 12 o'clock that I wanted to go see the poolside music. The app does have a chat feature, so you can invite your friends and family to chat. It works just kind of like Messenger. The only thing that's important to note is there's not great notifiers, so you will have to keep going back to the app to get reminded.